channel does not promote any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. We declare that some of the contents are taken from social medias. If you find any mistake or copyright violation in our contents, please feel free to contact us through contact@cyberalphabet.in or comment below. We will definitely solve the issue. Thank you. Hi, welcome to CyberAlphabet. Today we are demonstrating command injection attack. In command injection attack, the attacker can execute arbitrary operating system commands from the application. Here, the attack is performed on DVWA. If you don't have DVWA, check the description for a step-by-step installation process. The DVWA is an intentionally vulnerable web application. You can practice your skills here, without harm others. Let's log in with the default username and password. And after login, set the security level to low, as shown. After changing the security level to low, navigate to command injection menu. This is a simple IP ping test web page. Let's try with one valid IP, and with one invalid input. OK, here, when we input a valid IP address, the command executed and returned the ping result without any formatting. And when we passed the invalid input, it returned nothing. Let's pass a semicolon along with the IP and try again. That worked. By putting a semicolon, we have closed the ping command. Now let's add some basic OS commands as follows. Everything is working like a charm. Let's explore more commands. To learn basic commands, check the video in the description. And some tips for developers to prevent these kind of attacks. To get more informative videos like this, please subscribe CyberAlphabet. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.